Hey everybody, we are doing our home cutting hair for my 7-year-old.
Who is still scared of cutting hair.
Yes,
Well, I'm
and
not
we are
scared.
going to do this toilet paper, of course, so it won't go itch around. And so just like the hairdresser at the salon, and turn it around and put your garb. Put your garb around your child and tie it here. Yes. And we are doing our electric hair cutter. So we are doing first right here at the bottom, and then next in the middle. And then if you wanna style it, you just leave this part alone and trim this side. Okay. All right. Ready, Freddy. So do the 7 first. This hair cutter is only it's windy. Hold it. Hair cutter is only less than $20. All right, and it is very good and you can use it for a long time. Just do it slowly. Mama, don't go in there, Mama. Just do it slowly. Quarantine your hair. Like that. And then we're doing this first, so 7, and next will be 5 and just like that. Very slowly. She has pretty thick hair. Got some Asian hair inherited from his mama. I like it. And you're getting used to it.
Yep. Because I'm almost 8.
What can you say about it?
It's very good because I start to feel the really think of it that it's starting to get a little smaller because I don't have to, touch my hair in front and this hair right here, and I don't have to make it go up, and it just keeps going down. So that's why I like haircuts now. I used to really not because it would just like tear my head. But now I get the feeling, so I like
Got
it.
a feeling.
Because my birthday is in a couple of days, right, Mom?
Couple of weeks.
Yeah, a couple of weeks.
August the 18th. And so after the bottom, you're gonna do the middle part. Middle part. Right there.
Hey, good job, Maya. You made it go through all the crockett. Yeah.
And then 7.
7.
And then next will be, it's still kind of long, so
7,
we're
the,
going to
short
do
cutter.
probably 4 to make it 3
Yeah.
more.
Hey,
So
Maya, you're not supposed to
they're
knock
safe right there.
the
This is a
crock
safety
over. 'Cause it could.
safety garb.
Yeah.
Safety garb. And first I'm gonna comb using the little bit water.
That's the thing I don't really like.
It's nicer and make it more
Mommy, a doggy.
so the hair won't fly as much from the hair cutter. Okay, use that one. All right, ready, buddy? My buddy boy.
Miss, stretch, miss.
Yeah. Ready, Freddy, badidi. What are you gonna talk about then?
This is what I want to say, because if you're fighting for the U.S. Army, you have to be ready for a nice haircut, and if you want to be bald or not, that's okay. So you don't get too hot.
Right, and sweaty.
Because it takes a lot of work in war.
Right? And you also want to learn how to cut hair,
Yes.
right? Okay, middle. In the middle. In the middle.
I'm pretty preferring to work for a Union Pacific, because I don't really know what I'm going to work for when I grow up, because I'm mixed up with my trains inside and my soldiers.
Yes. You're gonna decide when you grow up too. May change, right? So before you cut your child's hair, you explain how it feels like. And
Tell them
safety.
tell your child if it's gonna feel bad or not. But if you start out, then if you have all the different pics of Mom, you want to show them the different pics in there?
Yes, like this.
Different pics.
Yeah.
Then
The garb.
Then your child.
The guard one.
Then the child might like it. But if you're in the Philippines and you don't have a guard, then
Yeah, it's only scissors.
Then you might want to ask somebody from the United States, or if they're your cousins or I don't know, ancestors or whatever, and they could ask you. But because we do that to our Nana and Tatay
Yeah, Nana and Tata.
in the Philippines.
Yes. And Tata is only doing scissors and comb, right?
Tatay is my mom right here's dad.
Yeah.
And then my dad, which is at work, his dad. You want me to tell them, Mom?
It's up to you.
Okay.
God.
Well, anyways, this is the normal way of cutting your hair for your child, and make sure you do it very smooth and not too hard. Because right now I feel like I'm at a waterfall.
Waterfall? What do you mean waterfall?
Well, yeah, I feel like I'm at, Arkansas, which we went.
Arkansas! Oh boy. Why Arkansas?
Yeah, I feel like right now. Yeah, I feel like I'm in peace right now.
Peace?
Yeah.
Well, I take it as a compliment. So he used not to
I would
haircut.
go around and then it would
would cry.
finally, yeah, I would cry. But now I get the feeling how good it feels.
I get to feeling. I the night's gonna be a good night. Right?
Mhm.
And so you can see, turn around. Right there.
Pretty good, huh?
Pretty good. Looking like a human now, right?
Yep.
What a good boy.
Pretty much go by Mitt Peters or Mitt David Peters.
and hit like and subscribe, right?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. We are always making videos that are for families and some fun stuff too, and life in the US, right? And practical tips and stuff, especially also potty training Maya.
Mommy, I'm ready, Mama.
Ready for what?
Ready. Mommy, I'm ready.
Missy. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Look at that. And you don't cry now. Such a good boy.
Mommy, I'm kind of the guy that doesn't cry anymore.
Doesn't cry anymore.
I used to like go around when I did that when we first moved here.
Yes.
And I did it at our old house. And I it really wasn't.
No, Maya, honey.
Maya,
Honey.
make sure you don't rip apart, Mom.
So he likes his style like that. Look. So just leave this part alone,
And
like
if-
a salon.
Wait, Mommy, you forgot to tell them something.
Yeah.
If you want them to look like if you want them to look like a cut right here and cut right there, then just
Like
leave them
really cool, right?
and then just cut the middle of their hair. Wait, no, don't cut the middle of their hair and
Yeah.
make it stand up if you can.
Yeah.
And then I think
I'm using this scissor to just trim it, okay?
to make it look even, not odd.
Even Steven.
Even.
And when you cut, you make sure that it's straight right here.
I have not noticed that on our
grip it.
porch. What is that? It says something about.
It says cool dude.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, and we are now making sure that we have it even here.
And also,
right
don't
here,
don't rip away while you're cutting. Like
like
cut
I
it.
used to, right?
Yeah, you used to do that. I think you still do that.
Yeah. I'm getting better at it, right?
Yeah, you're kind of getting better slowly. But
Maya, not that one, baby.
no,
T-Rex Vertex.
you can also learn how to cut your son's hair or daughter's hair
Right.
from
And
somebody.
It's pretty much easy when you get used to it, because this thing of quarantine is you have to go wear mask, so it's better to just like learn it yourself. And
we also saw this butterfly and ow, you just pulled it.
I did.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. You're still learning. Anyways, we saw this butterfly and it was just hopping around on the ground, so I had to pick it up. I did it again.
You did.
No, you did, Mom.
Where?
Cut my hair again.
Oh, sorry, honey.
It's okay. And it just was hopping on the ground, and then suddenly it was just laying on the concrete,
Yeah.
the butterfly, and I picked it up and I made a home for it. And then as soon as we were coming to the